Did you know I started Biddy Tarot way back in the 1990s with a dream to really educate and inspire others about tarot cards? Now, fast forward to today, and Biddy Tarot is now the world leader in tarot education, and we are helping millions of people all around the world to unlock their inner wisdom and transform their lives through tarot. But how do we get here? Well, in this video, you are going to discover the real story behind the Biddy Tarot brand and why we're on a mission to make tarot the ultimate personal growth tool and make it accessible to everyone. But first, why tarot and why now? Well, here's the thing. We find ourselves at this really pivotal moment in history because the universe is urging us to step into our individual power, to strip away decades of conditioning and limiting beliefs. Why? Because when we embrace our own power, we become beacons. We're inspiring others to do the same. And it's how we rise up and we change the world. Now, at Biddy Tarot, we understand that tarot has often been labeled as a fortune-telling tool. You know, you see in all of those movies and you've got the spooky looking woman and she's hunched over her tarot cards and this crystal ball and she's peering into the future and predicting what's to come. That's the kind of stuff that people are seeing about tarot. But here's the truth. Tarot is so much more than that. It is a direct line to the subconscious, and it is the ultimate tool for delving into those really big questions of who we are, why we're here, and what truly matters to us. And it's not about predicting your future. It's about knowing yourself so that you can craft your most aligned future. And from there, you can contribute to creating a more connected and enlightened world. Now, some people would have you believe that tarot is this highly complex, esoteric tool that is meant to be kept a very well secret amongst the mystics and the gifted ones. But here's what we believe at Biddy Tarot. Tarot is not meant to be gate-kept. It is a tool for anyone who is ready to really step into the highest versions of themselves. And our mission is to distribute tarot widely, shifting the consciousness of our planet. And that's why we offer things like free tarot resources, guides, workshops, books, decks, online learning programs, and a really vibrant tarot community. With over 15 million site visitors every year, 650,000 books and tarot decks shared, 16,000 students enrolled in our programs, and 2,000 community members, we are so humbled to be the #1 resource for tarot enthusiasts worldwide. But I gotta say, it wasn't always this way. So Biddy Tarot, it started just as a dream all the way back in the 1990s. And I had this life-changing tarot reading when I was 17. I was about to go to Germany and I had this reading and she tells me that I was gonna fall madly in love. And I thought, great, you tell it to everyone. But I went to Germany on high school exchange and what do you know, I fell madly in love. And so I came back from that trip and I was like, yes, this is the tool for me. I want to find out more. And I really dreamed of learning how to read tarot cards for myself. So I dove deep into studying the cards and I actually started to really discover their profound ability to empower people and to tap into this wealth of spiritual wisdom. Now, I started sharing what I was learning on my website, and over time, more and more people found me and they started to connect with the card meanings that I was posting. And soon, Biddy Tarot ended up being #1 in Google search. And here's the thing, as Biddy Tarot was growing in popularity, I started to realize that not everyone saw tarot the way that I did. And so while many people were enthusiastic about my journey, some actually questioned why would I get involved in all of that stuff? Like there was something evil or bad about tarot. And that's the sad truth. There are so many misconceptions about tarot that hold people back, but it's also what compelled me to really move forward. And in that moment, that's when my mission really took root. So you see, tarot's wisdom is available to all of us. And I believe that we are in the midst of a spiritual evolution on this planet. And we're asking questions, we're seeking guidance during these transformative times. And for me, the answer to a lot of these questions is simple. Look within. So tarot serves as a mirror reflecting universal truths, guiding us into these right relationships, helping us navigate change and shedding these limiting beliefs that are holding us back. and connecting with our subconscious through tarot, we actually unlock the answers that will help us to lead these most fulfilled lives. Now, my life journey wasn't straightforward. I once followed the corporate path and I worked in HR at a top bank here in Australia. And despite all of this external success and going up the corporate ladder, I actually felt this void within. So I turned to the tarot cards and they actually became my guide. And they really pushed me to reclaim my life and my power, my inner source of power. And that's what led me from what felt like this soul-sucking job day in, day out to building the spiritual business of my dreams, and that is Biddy Tarot. And here's the thing, the more I trusted Tarot's guidance, the more blessings I received. The universe really rewarded me for living a life that is authentically mine. So now it's your turn, my friend. If you're ready to unlock your intuition, connect with your authentic self, and really inspire others, I want you to know that you are so in the right place. Because here at Biddy Tarot, we are here to guide you every step of the way. Now, whether it's discovering your first tarot deck, learning more about the card meanings, getting certified, or even starting your own tarot reading business, we are here to help. So head on over to biddytarot.com and you can explore what is next for you. And I look so forward to being part of your journey with tarot. It is an absolute blessing, an honor, and a privilege. And I just wish for you that the magic unfolds in amazing ways. Bye for now. Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.